Welcome to episode 166 of Hike with Marion. Join me on this cold and wet day walking around the lake loop here at Hungry Mother State Park. The loop is about 5.5 miles. Ever ponder why they call it Hungry Mother State Park? Well, it's trapped in for a tale that's as quirky as its name. Picture this. Way back in the day, following a Native American raid, a mom and her kiddo were nabbed. Tragically, the mom was running on empty and eventually succumbed. But not before mastering the world's most bittersweet food critique, Hungry Mother. The kid, proving to be an escape artist, bolted and spread the word about his mom's final review. He led folks back to her location, marking the spot as Hungry Mother Creek. Fast forward a bit, voila, Hungry Mother State Park is born, paying homage to a story that's equal parts heart-wrenching and, well, hunger-inducing. This beach is your prime summer hotspot, ready and waiting when the weather heats up. Here, you can frolic in the sand, splash around in crystal clear waters, or just kick back and soak up the sunshine. Craving a bite? There's a snack shack on standby. Need to ditch the sandy swimsuit? Heat up the bathhouse for a quick change or rinse. Open from the tail end of May to the early whispers of September, this sunny sanctuary promises heaps of laughter, sandy escapades, and refreshing dips, all wrapped up in stunning natural scenery. The weather's doing its best impression of a wet blanket, so I wriggled into my spiffiest rain armor, the frog togs. Sporting a yellow so bright, it could signal aliens. I'm not just prepared for rain, I'm a walking, talking beacon of waterproof cheer. True, they might win the least likely to be stolen for fashion reasons award, but these babies hug me in all the right places and keep me dry as a bone, minus the clammy, sweaty vibes most rain gear loves to gift. From here, you can see a gaggle of geese enjoying a swim. Not long ago, a few more joined the party, belly flopping into the water with a series of splashy sounds that could have won them a gold medal in synchronized splashing. There's quite the feathery crowd out there. This here looks like the multiflora rose hips, nature's way of saying, here, have some vitamin C, but good luck with the thorns. They're just like the porcupines of the plant world, prickly on the outside but surprisingly sweet on the inside. Sure, these bushes can take over your garden faster than rabbits in a lettuce patch, but hey, free snacks. Welcome to the realm of sky touchers. On one side, we've got Molly Snap standing tall at 3,245 feet, just a hop, skip, and jump from being a mountain celebrity. And then there's the 3C benchmark, flexing at 3,803 feet, acting like it casually sips some growth potion. Together, they're the dynamic duo of elevation, making every hiker's heart skip a beat. Right here stands a humble shed that might not catch your eye at first glance, but it's got a past that's anything but boring. This old-timer was the secret stash spot for dynamite by the Civilian Conservation Corps, or the CCC. That's right, explosives. These were not for fireworks, but for blasting through the tough bits to lay down what was now become serene Hungry Mother State Park. So next time you're soaking in the tranquility of the trails, just think about the original fireworks show, man and nature in a monumental collaboration, is sculpting the landscape with a bang, quite literally. Talk about a groundbreaking approach. This is nature's own green carpet event. These mosses are the ultimate shade seekers, clinging to the cool underside of trees like miniature eco-friendly celebrities. They're not just a pretty face, though. They're the forest moisture managers, keeping things lush and hydrated. So next time, give a little nod to these verdant fashionistas of the forest floor. They know how to keep it cool and stylish under pressure. A pine-sized proving ground for your little adventurers. This obstacle course is like a mini boot camp minus the boots and the shouting drill sergeants, unless, of course, it's past snack time. To my right, behold the elegant rows of mountain laurel. Just picture this spot during spring. It's basically nature's own party block. Decked out in festoons, truly a seasonal shindig to remember. Ah, that fleeting instant when the rain hit the pause button, as if Mother Nature suddenly remembered she left her kettle on and dashed off to check. Gazing down from the mountainside, the beach scene unfolds like a secret VIP party, where the sand and the sea have the guest list locked down. It's as if the ocean itself sent out exclusive invites, and the sands laying out the welcome mat for anyone who can appreciate a good splash with the side of a suntan. I'm teetering on the edge of this video loop's grand finale. Thanks a bunch for sticking with me. Time to smash that comment section like an overripe avocado and hit subscribe as if it's the snooze button on Monday morning. Show me that sweet, sweet validation that keeps my spirit fizzing like a shaken soda.